Let's be real, you've done everything right. You went to college, got the job, paid your bills, and tried to be responsible. But somehow, your bank account still looks the same every month, and you're left wondering, what am I doing wrong? Society told us a story. Just work hard, be responsible, and financial security will follow. But no one told us the system was never really built for women to win. We've been playing a game that wasn't designed for us, and still, we're out here trying to change the rules. We're told to save, not to invest. To be careful, not courageous. To wait for stability, not create it. But the truth? Playing it safe has been keeping us stuck, and our freedom costs more than fear can ever pay. The danger of doing nothing? Waking up at 45 realizing your financial choices were built around fear, not freedom. But here's the good news, it's not too late. Today, we start changing that story together. Here's a wild truth. Most women don't want to be rich, they just want to stop worrying. But what if I told you that money isn't the problem? The system is? Hey loves, I'm Bella, and welcome back to Money Talk Real Talk. Smart Money with Bella. If you're tired of being stressed about money and ready to build real freedom, hit that subscribe and notification bell right now. This video's for educational purposes only, but I promise, what you'll learn today could change how you see money forever. We're going to break down the lies, rebuild your mindset, and map out real steps toward financial freedom. They say financial freedom means being rich, but honestly, it's not about having millions. It's about control, the power to choose how you live, how you work, and how you dream. It's not about money running your life, it's about you running the show. Here's the truth. Over 70% of millennial women say money is their biggest source of stress, but only 28% feel confident managing it. We've been told money is complicated, but maybe it's not us. Maybe it's the system that made it feel that way. Financial freedom isn't about quitting your job and living on a beach, it's about having choices. It's choosing a job because it inspires you, not because it pays your bills. It's being free enough to say yes to what excites you and no to what drains you. Like Oprah said, true freedom is having the courage to design your own life. So, what if we stopped chasing money and started chasing meaning? Maybe real wealth is waking up every day knowing you're in charge of your own story. Let's be real, women work just as hard, yet somehow we still earn less. It's not because we're not capable. It's because the system was never built for us. But we're changing that story, one paycheck at a time. It's not just the wage gap. There's also the confidence gap. We're taught to doubt ourselves when it comes to money. We second-guess our worth while others take bold financial moves without hesitation. And here's the thing, women invest 40% less than men. Not because we can't, but because no one ever showed us how. We were told to save, not to grow, and that mindset costs us wealth every day. We've been told to play it safe, but safe keeps us stuck while real wealth grows elsewhere. As Warren Buffett said, risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. It's time we learn, invest, and own our financial freedom. You know what's wild? Your relationship with money started way before your first paycheck. It was shaped by what you saw, heard, and felt about money growing up. Whether it was stress, silence, or abundance, that early story became your money script. Think of your mindset like an app. If it's outdated, it keeps crashing every time life gets stressful or uncertain. But when you update your mindset, suddenly, everything runs smoother. You start to feel more in control, more confident, more free. Most of us were taught to budget before we were ever taught to build wealth. We learned to shrink, save, and survive, not to dream bigger. But real freedom starts when you stop counting every dollar out of fear and start letting your money work for you. Like Tony Robbins said, it's not about the resources, it's about the resourcefulness. You've always had what it takes. Now it's time to rewrite your money story with confidence and power. Your financial freedom starts inside you. Financial freedom isn't luck, it's strategy. You don't need to be a finance expert to get ahead. You just need a plan and consistency. Let's break down the 4 pillars that make financial independence possible for every woman. First, earn. Know your worth, girl. Don't settle for less than you deserve. Whether it's your job, side hustle, or passion project, negotiate your value and make your money match your effort. Next, save. Make it easy for future you. Automate your savings so you don't have to rely on willpower. Think of it like self-care for your money, small habits that protect your peace. Then invest. Let your money work while you sleep. Every dollar you invest is a tiny employee building your future. And finally, protect. Build your safety nets, insurance, emergency funds, and clear boundaries. That's real freedom. We've been told that working harder is the only way to make more money. But the truth? You can't outwork inflation, it's always running faster. The smart move is to make your money start running for you. Imagine this: you start investing just $200 a month at 25. By 45, you could have over $120,000. That's your money quietly multiplying while you sleep, live, and grow. We chase side gigs, skip sleep, and grind harder but ignore the stock market, where real wealth grows quietly. It's like running on a treadmill when there's an open highway right next to you. Albert Einstein once said, "Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. Those who understand it, earn it, and those who don't, pay it." It's time we make it work for us, not against us. We've been told that money equals success. But the truth? Money is just a tool, not the dream itself. It's not about the number in your bank account. It's about how free you feel when you wake up every morning. Financial freedom isn't about private jets or designer bags. It's about brunch without guilt, travel without debt, and saying no without fear. It's about making choices that feel good, not ones that just look good. Here's the truth: 80% of women say financial freedom means peace of mind, not luxury cars. It's not about showing off. It's about finally breathing easy and feeling safe with your choices. As Maya Angelou said, success is liking yourself, liking what you do, and liking how you do it. That's the kind of rich we're chasing, the one that feels real, joyful, and totally ours. Freedom doesn't disappear in one big disaster, it fades quietly. One habit at a time. It's skipping the budget talk, swiping a little too often, and saying, "I'll deal with it later." But every later pushes your freedom further away. Lifestyle creep is sneaky. You get a raise, and suddenly there's a nicer car, a bigger apartment, another subscription you barely use. The problem isn't spending, it's spending without purpose. Debt can feel like a comfort blanket. It makes today easier but tomorrow heavier. We tell ourselves it's fine because everyone's doing it. But real comfort comes from control, not from owing. We plan our weddings more carefully than our retirements, and that has to change. Financial freedom isn't for later. It's built now, choice by choice. Like Eleanor Roosevelt said, no one can make you feel inferior without your consent, and that includes your money. So today we broke down the myths, faced the numbers, and rebuilt what financial freedom really means: control, confidence, and choice. You don't have to be the richest in the room, just the most aware. Start small, stay consistent, and your future self will thank you. If this hit home, drop your thoughts in the comments. I love hearing your stories. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your bestie who's ready to get her money right. Thanks for watching Money Talk, Real Talk, Smart Money with Bella. Until next time, take care of your coins and your confidence.